I was gifted these earthwash laundry sheets, and I did not expect to like these as much as I do. If you're over bulky detergent bottles and messy measuring, this is such a simple switch. These are literally thin sheets. You just toss one into the wash and that's it. No spills, no guessing, no clutter in your laundry area. What surprised me most is how convenient they are. They're super lightweight, take up almost no space, and are perfect for travel, especially if you're packing light or doing laundry on the go. They're also completely scent-free, which I personally love, especially for everyday clothes and even more delicate items. I like that they dissolve fully in the wash, so you're not dealing with any leftover residue on your clothes or in your machine. They work in all types of washers too, which makes it really easy to switch over without changing anything about your routine. Overall, it just feels like a cleaner, simpler way to do laundry without all the extra bulk. If you're looking to simplify your laundry routine or save space, these are definitely worth trying.